All right, let's crack this case. AI promising to totally change how police work.
So vendors made this huge promise. AI would cut report writing time by a massive 82%.
For cops drowning in paperwork, this sounded like a total lifesaver, right? A dream come true.
But yeah, when we dug into the facts, the case took a wild turn. That promise? A total illusion.
Okay, first piece of evidence. A big trial of a tool called Draft One found 0 time saved.
That's right. The real measurable time saved on writing reports? Absolutely 0. A huge gap, right?
And get this for clue number 2. Anchorage police tried a similar tool and just stopped using it.
This really puts it in perspective, doesn't it? What was promised versus what actually happened. And you know what? This pattern isn't just in policing. It's happening in other fields too.
In fact, get this. One study found experienced coders were actually slower using AI tools.
Which brings us to the big mystery, right? If it doesn't save time, why are they still using it?
Well, it's something called the perception performance gap. Basically, the tool feels faster even when it's not.
And the reason is pretty simple. AI just shifts the work from writing to, well, checking and fixing.
So maybe the real value here isn't about speed at all. It's about something else entirely.
Take a look at a system called Truleo. It's a key piece of evidence that analyzes what cops say.
It tracks things like respect and clarity, turning their words into coaching moments.
And studies showed this actually worked. The AI feedback led to real improvements in how officers communicate.
Plus, it can be a game changer for officers who aren't strong writers, making reports way better.
But hold on. Before we close this case, we have to talk about the hurdles. It's not that simple. You're looking at 4 major obstacles here that can really get in the way of a good tool.
So, where does that leave us? What's the real verdict on AI in policing?
Think of it this way. AI isn't a motor for speed. It's a mirror for behavior.